This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, charge both AirPods and the case so you avoid interruptions, then open the case near your device to trigger pairing. If you see the animation, tap Connect. This creates the secure link that syncs settings and firmware. On Android or Windows, press and hold the case button until the LED blinks, then select the AirPods from Bluetooth. Once paired, make sure automatic ear detection is enabled so audio routes correctly when you wear them. Next, customize controls so you work efficiently. Assign double tap or press actions to play, skip, or summon voice assistant. This reduces fumbling. Enable spatial audio and noise control in the Bluetooth settings to improve immersion and reduce ambient noise when needed. If you use multiple devices, set automatic switching to jump from phone to laptop. This relies on iCloud and current firmware. To keep sound quality and connectivity stable, update firmware by keeping the case open near your signed-in Apple device. Finally, finish by learning care and simple fixes. Clean ear tips and microphone meshes gently to preserve clarity, and store AirPods in their case to protect battery life. Make sure you avoid extreme heat or moisture. This prevents permanent damage. If you encounter stuttering or one side drops, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems persist, test on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.